Hello everybody, welcome to another interesting video about CSIR NET and GATE preparation. And today we are going to talk about not just Aazad Batch, but I want to start with this beautiful line which I wrote for all of you, and that is, when you copy, you become a clone and a clown too. Now you will find many jokers on the internet for sure, but here's something which you should know. Whenever you prepare for an exam, you have to stand out of the crowd. You have to be different. You have to do things uniquely, right? You have to do things uniquely. You have to be different. Then only you get selected, because it is all about you being different than them. That's what leads your selection and their rejection. Okay. So don't try to copy others, their preparation strategy. Instead, find out a unique methodology of preparation, logical way of preparation, because you're studying science. And when you're studying science, definitely you need Aazad Batch. So today we are going to talk about why Aazad Batch. So let's quickly get started with the video. Why Aazad Batch? Because of 15 reasons which I have come to you today. Now, the first one which I have for you is think long term. When you want to prepare for exam, it's a long term approach, because you are playing a long term game, because you're getting into research. So you need the right kind of long term partner. And that is where, when you think long term, you have to know that there are chances when exams mishaps can happen. Probably something goes wrong or right. But if you have the right preparation partner by your side, which has been doing that consistently for past 15, 16 years, then your chances of qualifying this exam is higher. And that's what is Aazad Batch all about. Now, the second point which I have for you is failure proof. Now, how exactly this is failure proof? Because it gives you multiple chances to prepare. Okay, multiple chances to write this exam. You get a chance for September. If there is a December exam, you get a chance for December as well. And of course, you get a chance to write the June 2023 exam. So this makes you failure proof. You pay once for the batch and you continue your preparation till next year of June 2023. Now, the third is most experienced faculties. Now, why do I say that? Because Biotecnika was started in the year of 2006, and we have the most experienced faculties in this segment, in this sector for life sciences. And that's what we say. We specialize in life sciences, whatever we do. Now, that means most experienced experts leads to better results, because they already know the pitfalls. They already know where you might go wrong, and they'll plug that loophole faster. Now, the next one is very important again, scientific method. Now, let me broadly classify your preparation into three parts: study, practice, and revision. Now, whenever you are studying, we are going to teach you using animations and mind maps. Now, these are newest addition to our RAID technology. You can see this particular video also is an example of a mind map. So when we teach you using animations and mind maps, your chances of understanding is better, because you're reading biology, which you cannot visualize, but in this manner you can visualize. Your brain connects from one thread to another and you remember better. So that's all about study. Now let's come to practice. So we are giving you artificially intelligence based AI test series. Now this test series will automatically adjust the questions according to your preparation level and throw you tougher questions. You become more pro in solving questions and less prone in falling for trap questions. Now the next is weekly and monthly tests. This will be conducted on a weekly and a monthly test basis, which will help you consolidate on whatever you have studied till date. And the third very important thing, which is revision. Now, revision through scientific methodology, Conceptica series, which is all about flowcharts, comparison tables, concept wheels, and flashcards, and concept cloud. All that included in the revision tools. So you can see this is a solid method of preparation. And after that comes maximum practice, like I showed you here. Practice through tests, and there are three ways we'll be testing you: AI test series, then you have the AIMNet test series, then you have the weekly and monthly test series, and apart from that, obviously, previous year question papers and extensive practice during the class as well. Now moving ahead, you have exam insurance. Now what happens? Exam can get postponed. If the exam is getting postponed, you will probably in trouble, because now you'll be like, okay, I need to pay again for my coaching. No, at Biotecnika you don't need to pay even a single penny extra if you're adopting for the exam insurance guarantee around with the Aazad Batch. Next is the 24/7 chat support. Now what is happening here? You are studying in the middle of the night, you got a doubt. Now will you remember the doubt next day? No, but if you ask the doubt right away in chat and you get a reply, that's where the magic happens. You will be able to ask questions 24/7, you'll get replies, and then you will be able to clarify all your doubts and qualify faster. That's the mantra, and nowhere, I can vouch for this, nowhere you'll find this beautiful facility. Only Biotecnika is giving, and only giving since past 15 years. Okay, no one else has even tried, because it's very, very tough. Now, why we are able to give? Because we take limited students and we train them. We don't believe in taking hundreds and hundreds of students and trying to train them. We have limited students, so faster replies will be there. Unlimited classes. Now what happens? The teachers to student ratio is 1:16. So there is always one teacher and 16 students. So now what happens is unlimited classes. You can attend any number of classes, any number of times. You can watch the recording any number of times, because ultimately our aim is to help you qualify, not to limit on your success. We want you to succeed. That's where the unlimited classes comes into picture. Now on the left hand side, I have written some freebies which you are getting in anyways. The first is free internet. So whenever you're studying, you will watch a lot of videos from Biotecnika, probably 400 to 500 videos. Imagine the internet bill you will get in the next 1 year. All that comes included in your package. The next is free internship. You'll get Bioinformatics and Proteomics internship, which will be taken by the veteran teacher, and you already know him, Dr. Farhan Zami sir. Amazing feedback we are getting for the previous internships. You should try it out. You will be amazed how we are executing this virtual internship for all of you. The next is Icmr Reviser. So you're getting Icmr. Now Icmr is what? This exam which is going to happen very soon. For that, if you want to revise or practice or prepare, you're getting this Icmr Reviser, which has got more than 50 plus lecture videos, tests, 4 to 5 tests, practice test papers, and lot of study material for Icmr revision also. Apart from that, you're getting online study material and printed study material free of cost with Aazad Batch. So what's happening here? We'll be sending you the books to your home, and then you get all the access in your virtually in your portal also. Wherever you are, you will have access to all the study tools which I just told you beforehand here. And apart from that, now you're getting Raftaar batch, which is a fast forward, rapid, advanced, intelligently delivered batch, which is running right now. It started somewhere in mid of July. Practice as much you can, study scientifically as much you can with Raftaar batch, which is targeting the September exam. And then you will get quick net reviser access. Now these are quick videos, small bites of videos, and which helps you cover topics faster, better, in a much more detailed manner as well. And well, last not the least, we have a broad ebook library. More than 300 to 400 books are there, which will help you strategize, prepare, and study extensively. And one more thing which I forgot to include in this is shorthand notes, short notes. You can see the samples of that we keep posting on Biotecnika. Those are just few samples. We have an extensive short notes and PowerPoint based teaching methodology. So here we are, guys. Aazad Batch is going to help you stand out of the crowd. It is help you, give you that extra edge, which will certainly help you qualify the exam. Now, having said that, Aazad Batch again has only 16 seats, and the seats are filling very, very, very fast. So all you have to do is click on the link given in the description, apply for the JCB scholarship, and you may get up to 100% scholarship also. So do not delay, guys. Aazad Batch is right here to help you, guide you, mentor you with the most advanced technology, methodology, and patent pending process. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.